Hello everyone, this is Noah from 9to5 Software. In this video, we're going to learn how to change aspect ratio in Adobe Premiere Pro. Links to the latest version of the app is available in the description. If you have other questions you need answers to, please tell us in the comments or visit 9to5software.com. Without further ado, let's jump right into it. Why does aspect ratio matter? Aspect ratio describes the relationship of an image's width to its height. This relationship matters because it determines how much space surrounds the subject of an image or series of moving images. If you're trying to shoot a conversation between two people, a square format might capture both people, but it won't show much of the background behind them. A vertical format might capture more of one speaker's body language, but it'll cut out most or all of the second person. Through most of motion picture history, directors have preferred frames that are wider than they are tall. Widescreen formats can occupy a viewer's whole field of vision, immersing them in vast landscapes, great battles, and elaborate musical numbers. After all, we have two eyes side by side on our heads. You see wider than you do tall, so it feels more natural to watch something in a wider format. How to change the aspect ratio. Go to Sequence menu, Sequence settings, change the editing mode to custom and type in whatever resolution you wish, for example 1920 by 858. The aspect ratio is displayed next to the raster size. If you need to change the aspect ratio of a clip, for example, fix a distorted clip due to an anamorphic lens, right-click on the clip in the bin, go to Modify, Interpret footage, change the pixel aspect ratio. That is all for this video everyone, big thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please consider leaving a comment and subscribing. See you next time.